1994 penny value, no mint more. Search through your pocket change or coin jar long enough and you're bound to find many 1994 pennies floating around. That's because they're so common. Any 1994 pennies you find without a little letter mint mark under the date means that they were struck at the Philadelphia Mint, which made 6,500,850,000 pennies that year. So, if you find a 1994 penny with no mint mark, that's totally normal and there are plenty out there around. Since these coins are incredibly common, there is no extra value to them if they're in circulated worn condition. They are worth only face value and are totally safe to spend as regular money. Are there any 1994 pennies without a mint mark that are worth saving? Yes. Any 1994 no mint mark pennies that have no work and are essentially in brand new, uncirculated condition like they were just minted yesterday are worth more. A typical 1994 no mint mark penny with no word that has never been used as money is worth around 10 to 30 cents. One of the most valuable 1994 no mint mark pennies ever sold was graded MS68RD by Professional Coin Grading Service and fetched $646 in August 2013. 1997 penny value, no mint mark. The 1997 Lincoln penny from the Philadelphia Mint does not contain a little letter under the date, which is a common feature known as a mint mark. A lot of people are aware of errors in which a coin is missing its mint mark and therefore assume that all coins without mint marks are errors. But this isn't true with most Lincoln pennies. While no mint mark pennies error definitely exists, any 1997 Lincoln cent you find without a mint mark merely signifies that it was made at the Philadelphia Mint and is therefore a normal coin. Having said that, there are a lot of 1997 Philadelphia pennies to go around, so the 1997 penny without a mint mark is certainly not a rare coin. The Philadelphia Mint struck 4,622,800,000 pennies in 1997 without a mint mark. Yes, you read that figure correctly. That's more than 4.6 billion with a B. So, it might make a little more sense when you find out these common 1997 pennies are worth only their face value if worn. However, some 1997 pennies without mint mark really are worth more than just a penny. All uncirculated 1997 no mint mark pennies, those never used as money and showing nowhere, are worth at least 10 to 30 cents each. The most valuable 1997 penny without a mint mark ever sold was graded MS69RD by Professional Coin Grading Service and took $6,360 in a 2021 sale. 1996 penny, value, no mint mark. The 1996 penny without a little letter under the date, which is called a mint mark, was struck at the Philadelphia Mint, where 6,612,465,000 pennies were made that year, with a mintage of more than 6.6 billion with a big OB. Coins. The 1996 penny from the Philadelphia Mint can hardly be considered scarce. Unfortunately, most 1996 pennies that you find in pocket change are likely to be worth just their face value or 1 cent. That's because worn Lincoln cents from the 1990s are so common. However, if you happen to find a 1996 penny with an error or variety, it can be worth much more. And that's something we'll cover in greater detail a little later in this post. The bottom line is if Your 1996 penny without a mint mark is worn, discolored, or damaged with scratches and nicks. It's safe to spend at face value. What about 1996 pennies that aren't worn and dink? If you got an uncirculated 1996 no mint mark penny that looks about as new as the day it was minted, it could be worth much more. A typical 1996 penny without a mint mark in uncirculated condition is worth 10 to 30 cents. The record price for a 1996 penny without a mint mark is $2,500, which was paid in 2018 for a specimen that professional coin grading service graded MS68 plus RD. Okay, that's all for the 1994, 1997, 1996 without a mint mark Lincoln Memorial Cent. Okay, I hope I was able to provide some information for coin collecting. Bye for now and have a great day.